Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This one gonna be very quick and simple. Just like when you're on a run, you have to go to work, just a very simple recipe. That's my preference. That's what I like to use when I'm in a hurry. So we're just gonna start with some fruits, blackberry, any type of fruits you like. And gonna use some Activia. Prefer that right now there's a lot of probiotic in it that's gonna help boost your immune system, and some almond milk. Any type of milk is fine, and that's my secret, the vanilla blanca. That's what I use. And you're just gonna blend for like 10 to 20 seconds. You're just gonna blend, and that's the finished product. Let me know if you guys like it.